Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're going beyond strategy, beyond setups, and getting into something a little more personal, a little more real. What it actually takes to turn your prop trading side hustle into a full-time, sustainable career. Because let's be honest, just about every trader has thought about it. The dream of trading full-time, walking away from the 9 to 5, and building a life on your terms. No boss, no clocking in, just you, your charts, and the markets. But here's the truth that often gets glossed over. Trading full-time is not just a skill game, it's a lifestyle shift. One that demands more structure, more discipline, and more resilience than most people realize. So in today's episode, we're walking through exactly what it takes to make that leap, from strategy and bankroll management to emotional control and financial survival. If you're serious about going full-time, or even just wondering if you've got what it takes, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Understanding prop trading as a career path. First, let's define the landscape. Prop trading, or proprietary trading, means you're trading with a firm's capital, not your own. They give you access to funding and sometimes leverage, and in return, you split the profits. Sounds simple, but that split comes with pressure. Because there's no base salary here, no sick days, no built-in safety net. You're the business, and your revenue comes from beating the market month after month. That means one thing. Before you ditch your day job, you need to build a system that supports financial consistency. Core elements of a sustainable trading career. 1. Consistent performance over time. Consistency isn't about having one amazing month. It's about stacking profitable months and surviving the rough ones. Here's how you build that kind of consistency. Track your metrics. Win rate, average R, monthly P&L, know your numbers. Trade with a repeatable edge. If you can't define your edge, you don't have one. Stick to risk management. Blow one account, and your trading career could stall for months. Adapt. Markets evolve. If your system can't handle changing volatility or structure, you're stuck. And don't just backtest. Forward test everything. Live performance is the only thing that counts. 2. Bankroll and payout management. Trading isn't like getting a paycheck. Some months are great, others not so much. So here's what you need to do. Save part of every payout. 30 to 50% should go into reserves. Treat your payouts like a salary. Create a monthly budget based on the average, not the high months. Diversify your income. Work with multiple prop firms. Run an education stream. Offer freelance work on the side. Build your own account. Long term, having personal capital gives you more control and flexibility. This is where most aspiring full-time traders fall short, not on skill, but on financial structure. 3. Trading multiple strategies and accounts. What happens when your main setup stops working? If you don't have a plan B, you're in trouble. That's why diversification matters, not just in assets, but in approach. Trade different strategies for trending versus ranging markets. Use multiple accounts across different prop firms to reduce dependence on one provider. Experiment with different asset classes, forex, indices, commodities, even stocks. Vary your time frames, combine scalping, day trading, and swing approaches for broader coverage. In prop trading, being a one-trick pony is risky. Adaptability is your insurance policy. 4. Coping with low or no payout months. Every full-time trader has had a dry spell. The pros don't panic, they prepare. Have a personal emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Don't force trades just to meet income goals. That's a fast way to compound losses. Treat trading like a business. Profits fluctuate. Focus on consistency over hype. Use downtime wisely. Review data. Refine strategies. Journal your trades. Level up. Your ability to survive the down months is what defines your career. Not the wins, but the recoveries. How to make the transition from part-time to full-time. Let's talk practical steps. Step 1. Prove consistency while part-time. You should have at least 6 to 12 months of solid, profitable results before even thinking about going full-time. Not just good trades, controlled risk, solid execution, and emotional discipline. Step 2, build a financial cushion. Don't take the leap unless you've got at least 6 months of living expenses saved on top of your trading reserves. Step 3, scale gradually. If possible, go part time before going full time. Reduce hours, build confidence. Test what full time trading feels like before making it permanent. Step 4, have a backup plan. Trading is brutal on bad months. Having freelance income, consulting work, or a part time gig can keep your stress levels manageable. Step 5, build a professional routine. Wake up with purpose. Set hours, track metrics, run post trade reviews. This is not a hobby, it's a job. Step 6, strengthen your mindset. This is where most traders fail. They let fear, frustration, or greed take over. You need mental toughness. Discipline is your edge when your system isn't clicking. Join trading communities. Get mentorship. Talk to other full timers. Isolation kills clarity. Connection brings longevity. The realities of full time prop trading. Let's be clear, this career path isn't for everyone. But if you're disciplined, structured, and self aware, it's absolutely possible. Here's what separates the part time dreamers from the full time professionals: they manage their money like CFOs, they treat trading like a business, they don't overleverage their trades or their expectations, they focus more on survival than stardom. If that's how you think, you're already ahead. Looking for a prop firm to grow with? If you're serious about making this your career, you need a prop firm that's built to support full time traders. Check out crystalballmarkets.com. They offer broker backed funding, multiple asset classes, clear payout structures, scaling plans, and support that respects the reality of a trader's journey. Whether you're just starting or ready to scale, they give you the capital, structure, and tools to build something real. Final thoughts: trading full time isn't just about quitting your job, it's about building a system that works when the market doesn't. So be smart, be patient, build your edge, build your foundation, and when the time is right, make the leap with both eyes open. You've got this. That's it for this episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, follow the show, leave a review, and share it with another trader who's thinking about going full time. Until next time, trade consistently, think like a pro, and build the life you want.